Sihle wayithi ekamongameli. I think umfana he proved ukuthi Boreal yazi. I think he needs protection. Monga angazi because asikho uma dressing room. Asikho ama fans they are seeing this. Abanye bathi sekhula ikhanda, abanye there are a lot of things that are being said ngomfana.
Uyakwazi uthini ifame ibulala abantu abaningi kakhulu.
Yeah, is a drug.
Ifame it's a biggest drug. So iya ngawe wena ngokwakho kumbe mawungena manager umfana omncane usungafa ngefame. Bakhona abantu abakwazi uku-maintain ukuyihengla kahle ifame yabona. Lwana umfana look at edlala 2 games obizwa ku national team uhamba ku national team ukuthi ufika kwakora kwasoba ifame kwasoba khona phana kwasokumele umfana kube lo muntu omthethe ihengla kuhle into so because what he did Zolo it's like he was trying to raise futhi fame on top of that ayisekuthi ukhuthile lapha the kind it's unnecessary thing yikubona abantu bemthuka.
Yeah, I think Mina personally, like what you say, that there's a need for him to be protected.
Because
in football, there are so many things and emotions that happens, and when you at his age, utole that opportunity. Of course, Lamizolo, I was disappointed by their first miss yet. Utole ituba elinjana usureche ukip. Very in the first place, even the nothing I'm
defend keep whatever.
Even the nothing I'm reaching will keep and that first opportunity to Lipora was able to shoot.
Bensathi usavereza thwangelayo namuhla usavereza bamklempile is shodile man, but anyway the show has to go on. I'm happy James. I want namhla Lucky Bets all the way. I'm super happy. First and foremost, we have to appreciate into enhle majens initiative a man of the match.
Yeah, it's something which is so nice and it motivates some players to play well. And I implore the journalists to select with proper diligence. Bengayenza ke favor, bengayenza ukuthi bathanda abantu but benika umuntu odeserve so that it motivates every player to play perfectly and well.
Nzafika kwena le but a good thing, ikhanya ukuthi a good thing ubenza uzafaka ivideo lapha nasike sakhuluma lama player mbona ama player ejabulile even iperformance yawazi this week iperformance ya this week ibibona ukuthi Lucky Bets for sure.
Yeah, because le mali yakho ngibona leyo inhle kakhulu. So ama players not just abasa perform kuphela okwe team but like says performela yena personally ukuthi after that and yazi into enhle kakhulu eZimbabwe la ukubona ukuthi after match sukulo man of the match ephiwe something. That's a great move. I saw move encane le bayenzile.
And the way simdala icash
mntana
awula ukuthi ithiwa kumbe wathi icash yakho icash yakho uyithole khona apho khona. Mina into enijabulise kakhulu ukuthi in partnership Lucky Bets le PSL it's countrywide, bra. It's not selected matches. It's every match. Every match, man of the match. We are told into zakhe. Yazi kuyaboosta iperformance yebhura. Ngama player uboyeza ama player khuluma ngentshuku nje phezulu ukuthi eshimadoda into le blind. Bakhweza level of performance. Mina to me, that's a game changer. Thank you to Lucky Bets. This is wonderful for Zimbabwean football.
It's quite exceptional.
Proper. Ubusizwa ama players sifuna into le continue. So silathi silesicelo ku-Lucky Bets, please continue.
Season ukuphela.
Yeah, ingabi into this season. This is what I'm saying. We want it to continue.
At least besayine kuyi-5 year deal.
Yes.
Even more.
Like futhi kuze ku-continue sharp and ama viewers and followers have got a pivotal role to play. They only have to subscribe to luckybets.co.zw and be a member. They play, win, and by so doing, you're also adding value to the Lucky Bets sponsorship so that they can continue sponsoring and having the sources, the funds to do so.
Vele ungabona nje kulama companies or a corporate willing to sponsor football. Lawo at the same time bethola through football. It's a wonderful partnership. I say big up to PSL and Lucky Bets. Please, we want this sponsorship to continue.
Continually.
I'm joined by Lucky Bets man of the match, Darlington Mukuni. Ta ushap.
Ngishap tobili njani?
Congratulations my brother.
Ngiyabonga. Abafana abazamile ukupusha, samile ukupusha as a team, but it was another day we'll take a point. Although APF sakuthatha maximum points, but a point we'll take it moving forward.
Better luck next time. Continue performing better. Let's hope you get more of Lucky Bets man of the matches.
Thank you so much.
Nasimali yako my brother.
Ungakhohlwa ubonga iPSL yavuma ingavuma
Yiko vele ngikutsho awungizwa sithi is Lucky Bets and PSL. So it shows ukuthi bale third eye. It's Lucky Bets and Premier Soccer League. Siyabonga kakhulu for this partnership. May it continue. We hope it will grow. Ama players bazayenza ibhora lethu liphakame be increase ama performance levels abo. It was at the end of the day ngingakaholi ngaba man of the match. I've got
Uyawuthola imali ye-rent le grocery mntana.
I took clip iningi bro.
Uyathola imali ye-rent le grocery mntana. Awusakhuluma eholo lana singenye.
Awubonanga izolo sengiweza uda ngithi da. Nguye the man of the match. Awena.
Jabule kakhulu mfana.
Ende bengacabangela ukuthi uman of the match. Sembuya ku point yakho la lokuthi ukhuluma uthi sesicela ama journalist ngabe be select lapha kube le selection process ezaba fair. But I think Saturday game ye Chiefs le draw. It was outright clean, very fair. It's only izolo enza abantu bengani ba, because you never know ukuthi babone njani, but ilihlo le ground yonke.
At the end of the day kumele kube lo man of the tournament,
man of the match,
man of the match. But izolo mntalade kulawo ijournalist athi kunzima ukuselect mntana. Maybe singathi ukudala laba amselethele uAmbet lokuba home. Mntana lokho kuludaka ngapha la nga ibrand iduma mntana. Athi ngeke uselect mntana athi kunzima izolo.
But there were players that were who raised their hands.
Yeah, bakhona like Prince udlalile but wasaphulwa nje. So abantu bengakwazi ukuthi umuntu mase saphuliwe
as long as akula ndaba phela kwazi ungena uyisapho
yakho lapho yabona
uyakwazi ungena uyisapho
15 minutes athi ngathi deserve anyway
ngitho kwazi ungena uyisapho udlale 15 minutes uchinge igame like umfana lo weSimba Bora versus iCape United okuncane ka uChodwan kwangena 15 minutes but ngoba man of the match. So man of the match uyakwazi ukudecide igame within 15 minutes udlale ngcono udlula umuntu oqalisile. It happens, we've seen it world over. But anyway, welcome back ladies and gentlemen. This is your number one soccer podcast in the land. This is Pass and Move, proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets, our number one sponsor. As we always say each and every day, please remember to be a member. Just go to luckybets.co.zw and be a Lucky Bets Panther Konapana. You have to be 18 years and above. And we say this every day. Please remember to bet responsible. Gents, the show is already on the road. There's something that happened during the week. Until Zimbabwe was hosting a COSAFA meeting. And our very own ZIFA president, Unqobile Magwizi, was elected to the executive committee. We say congratulations to Unqobile Magwizi. Big ups. Let's hope this will also take Zimbabwean football to another level, because him being appointed to COSAFA region it shows ukuthi ibhora lethu i-direction that is taking lo msebenzi awenza because abaphonga ukuselecta kungelanto oyenzayo.
Yeah. I think first and foremost, I would like to, on behalf of myself, everyone else, football friends, and us here, I would like to say congratulations to Mr. Makwizi, Mr. Nqobile Makwizi. We are very proud of you. You have made us feel proud. Looking to you as the president for this particular time, also for this short period of time, we've seen significant changes in terms of football. You've seen you maintaining the dignity of football. At first, when you refused the motives, we didn't understand the motive behind, but every decision you are making is football consciousness of ulwazi lwebhora. And there's so many things that we are doing. The grassroots football, the partnership with the primary and secondary schools for abantwana development football, everything. So what's that for under 15, 17. Is an achievement you have made in a short period of time. And hence the region have recognized you with this post. So City, congratulations. Keep on making us proud and let's lift the football of Zimbabwe together very high.
Yeah, yena uyawenza umsebenzi like 2 years yakhe ayakhanya ukuthi isikuphi, and then ungathi uyakhangela from grassroots to senior level ama developments emaningi kakhulu and izinto sezilethile seziningi kakhulu. Kuyakhanya ukuthi engabe lokho ekhona within 2 years ebuyayo siya kwenye indawo. Ungabona se recognized. It's not easy to be recognized by FIFA or recognized by CAF, but ungabona so recognized kuyasho ukuthi they seen something oyenzayo level ikwenza ukuthi this man uyasithatha usisa kwenye indawo.
We know ukuthi every institution or every human being ulama errors zakhe. He's not perfect, he's not 100% perfect. Like kukhona lapha esifuna improve yakho, but so far as you guys have said, short stint yona le abelayo he has proven ukuthi at least is a positive side. Very few negatives, more positives.
Very akula muntu perfect.
Never.
Akula muntu perfect, but in everything we have to learn to look for the positives. So the positives that he has are saying that they are leading in the right direction for the moment. So we are proud of you and we are happy for you, and we are happy that you are representing Zimbabwe so high, and we are confident ukuthi khona uzazama ukuphakamisa football eZimbabwe and khona ngalo uzagaina olunye ulwazi azabuye ezolisebenzisa.
Yes. So on behalf of Pass and Move and the rest of football fraternity, we say congratulations Nqobile Makwizi, and your team continue raising the flag of Zimbabwean football high. Sase ku Zifa spirit. Zifa so although iCrime izazifike one day I suspend lo muntu phansi wayenza nonsense uyakona, any nonsense wayenza ungureferee, we know uyakona, you are suspended. Kulama ama serial antu yakhumbula i-code of conduct lana wakhuluma ama serial offenders ngifuna ukubona because kule serial offender ephindile you can, but anyway nonetheless ekabutho Masudi nonetheless nonetheless Zifa is suspended match officials. Zimbabwe Football Association advised that match officials Lloyd Mapanje, Venancio Zulu and Moroyo Wirimai have been suspended from officiating Premier Soccer League matches. Referee Venancio Zulu has been suspended for 5 match days, from match day 10 to match day 14, following his performance during Bulawayo Chiefs versus Chicken in match played at Papa Field Stadium on 25 April 2026. I think this one also Vereza wakhuluma ngayo kakhulu. That one, you were not taping officiating Gamchita. Then assistant referee Moroyo Wirimai has been suspended for 6 matches from match day 10 to match day 15 following the Moors Scotland match played at Ngoni Stadium on 25 April 2026. referee Lloyd Mapanje has also been suspended for 6 match days from match day 11 to match day 16 following his performance during the Scotland FC versus Simbapura FC match played at Rufaro Stadium on 3 May 2026. The suspensions arise from breaches of the referee's code of conduct relating to the interpretation, application and implementation of the laws of the game. ZIFA remains committed to strengthening referee standards, protecting the integrity of competitions and ensuring the match officials perform their duties with the highest levels of professionalism, competence and accountability. Nansi ZIFA madoda, consistency. We've been crying a consistency. Ukuthi sifuna ZIFA ibe consistent in doing and implementing rules of the game and laws of the game and protecting Zimbabwean football. Nampo refu ungayenza kuphi uyenza into ebhedayo usithola ususpension again each week in week out we're having referees. Remember I think it's 3 weeks back we talked about this issue ukuthi ngendlela irefereeing yethu ephuwa ngakhona iZIFA iyagcina isile dilemma kubo referees because these referees are being suspended week in week out.
Yeah.
Soon there will be serial offenders, which means you will get a 6 months ban from refereeing.
Yeah, I think mina ngubona kwami ngedwa as much as it is good to ukuthi sikhona uphold the good standards of the game, it's becoming now more difficult on both parties, the referees and the ZIFA, because ama referees loke esiya phambili. I still remember last time in one of our episodes and so was upset man when we were talking about this thing of officiating. I think umachisi wathi khona a problem ekhona is not ukuthi o ref abakwazi urefula, but it's that's how indlela abarefula ngayo. Bavisi khona urefu phambanisile but yena bese ukwanisile. That's their standard. Now we are seeing it now nxa sebeqala ukubhana ukuthi khona because awusozuthi khona omunye bochela ukujonja namuhla wona kusasa uyejonja into efana nayo omunye bochela ukurepa laphana wona la uyerepa futhi kusasa. We are seeing the continuity of failing as a norm to the ama refs. It's becoming so bad that ukuthi la nxa ureferee refula sisaba ukwenza ama decisions because sometimes yabo ngasakwazi what ngenza right or wrong. So I think orefu bona bodwa abazinuka amakhwapha bezihlole ukuthi benza njani, especially the game of Blair Chiefs. You look at the game of Blair Chiefs, of the game opshitwa ngabantu abangu4, but out of
you mean the one Blair Chiefs versus
Blair Chicken Inn,
the Chicken Inn,
the game opshitwa ngabantu abangu4, but out of the 4 people get suspended umuntu we1. Why? Because urefu did not follow the rules of the game. Umthetho ebhora uthi khona if an opponent gain advantage through a handball, the ball does not, the goal and scores, the goal does not what stand. Ulineman yaphakamisa isandla emtshela ukuthi ubambile ephikisa ulineman. That is why he went,
got suspended.
Then ubusibona yedwa A1. Then usufika kwamanye ama matches ama 4th officials are being suspended as well because how could a 4th official be suspended? Because we are there to assist the referee as well. Ufihle ukwenza just a simple thing. Mina I'm continuing saying thumbs up to the match commissioners. Abayale bebhala those reports. We are going to have proper football.
No fear, no favor.
No fear, no favor. Ngangcono be suspended bonke beze bepheli. Siyenza okuhayo ref outside the country bebuye. Size sithole o ref aba right abakwazi urefu libhora because ibhora sesidiniwe ngokuthi abale mali abakwazi ukubambisa urefu imali bebe besile njani begain advantage. I-team ayiziphefumele better, izwinele better, izehlulekele yodwa. That's my plea. I-team ayehluleke yodwa iwine yodwa. Ayikho urefu incedise. Nxa bonke bengarefu njengo refu lwezolo lwana PF, I think singaba ngcono. Umfana omncane but uchayela impembe.
Yeah, mina I think inzalanda ipoint angazi episode bani ukuthi wayekhuluma yama ephuwa oma ref kona ukuthi sometimes ba ref ungani umbe babanjisa imali. Look at ukuthi ekugcineni yibo abagcina beyenza ama fans kusiba le violence. I was looking at image between Simbapura le Dynamos. Is it Capes ne?
Capes.
Okuthiwe phena kwegcina ngani siyaliwe. But ama supporters abekhangele umuntu ukuthi ayisikuthi mayise stadium sabe singaboni. Uyabukhangele lo imithetho uyabuwazi ukuthi lapha bekuyiphena. Ukuthi nje labantu kulama fans amalutshwana.
Ade bebanengi.
Kale bebanengi but yawo.
Hayi wathana yabekela ugcwala.
But look at mawungakwenza ePF kokha uthi phena.
Yakwazi Masutu, on that point, I would like to applaud defense. Sakhuluma ama-fans e-Highlanders that day abantu betrying ukhipho trying ezelala bahle bethi asingeni ama-fans asekwazi ama-code of conduct lana akhitshwa i-PSL lathi esikhuluma ngawo ama-fans asekwazi ukuthi if we do this
you're costing the
you're costing the team
and costing myself as
you understand la ugcina uthola i-fine. On that incident uNelson bekuyi suspend
suspended, but obviously le suspension
so ngwethe zithi ngomunye osengena emabhukini oba yi-serial
lapana butas lapana ngutshela sometimes I'm not a ref but kuyafunakala common sense as a ref kufunakala umuntu oyi-fast think right sebekukhulile because he pointed at the spot and wakhipha yellow card esandleni i-yellow card yakhona kasa-issuanga futhi right usukhipha yellow card esandleni upointe ku-spot bakugcwalile ama-players no one knows the decision you have made except you right
hayi vele as long uthe is a penalty isayine penalty
it doesn't matter ukuthi upointe
isayine penalty
ukuthi upointe ku-penalty spot it doesn't matter ukuthi it doesn't mean it's a penalty spot, the penalty sometimes because yakwazi ukhombe khona kule foul but now what happens the next? You overturn and it becomes a drop ball. The yellow card to be said as Kwame. That's the mistake. That's the greatest mistake he did. He was supposed simple to think right. Answer yenzi ibe penalty. The next thing, I would rather punish somebody who did not do something. Luano Simba and give him a yellow card for diving or simulation. Uti kona bengivele ngakhipha ngachacha for simulation. Then the players came to me becabanga ngikhombele go penalty spot and it becomes easy.
But you want ukuthi
I'm not justifying ukuthi uphambanise.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying.
That's the way he was going to skip iqala lelana.
Ukuthi yena vele it shows ukuthi i-refereeing iyamhlupha to me asomuntu ojomele apase as a Premier Soccer League ref because ama mistakes anjalo mdala even uteacher orefura esikolo akayenzi primary school akayenzi mistake enjengaleyo
ubizwe ngulineman bakhulumisana wabuyela waya overturn it was going to be understandable
because look gents usethe penalty ama player caps asemgcwalela you have got a right to keep yellow card or red card
ukunika
nalona umuntu iplay babezokugcwalela to show ukuthi you are stamping your authority nguref you understand but alas I think bazayifaka aba viewers ayibona
ufala lo arefula lapha ku Highlanders versus Triangle.
No real rhythm. A hairy situation there. Oh! Petrus. But it's a penalty. It is a penalty here at Wazanai Stadium. Nelson Meke points straight to the spot. It was Junior Petrus who looked to be on. And Nyasa Gurende, amongst the most vocal there, is having to be held by his teammates.
The scenes you do not want to see in our football. Let's look at the incident against Simaneka. Got the shot off, but it was tripped up by Wallace Magalani. And the referee decided that it was a foul. Let's just look at it, a close one there. He does get the ball first, but he plays it off the goalkeeper where we need a slow motion.
And his feet were a bit out as well. Maybe that could be it, but Gurende and the Cape United players are not happy at all. Let's take a look at that again. Junior Petrus there. Yes, there was contact. Let's slow it down, yes.
There was contact, but the goalkeeper got the ball first. Just to get it slowly here. Let it play on. Simaneka gets the touch. Goalkeeper touches the ball. Then the follow-through is what gets Simaneka there. That for me is not a penalty, Mr. Tich.
Well, Nelson Meke says otherwise. The Cape United players are furious. But it looks like strange scenes here. It looks like Nelson Meke
has overturned his decision.
We're just waiting. He seems to be in conversation with Kudzai Chikwida there. No, I think the penalty is going to take place. It's just that. Oh, it's a drop ball.
What?
Strange scenes here.
Wait, hold
At
on.
Wasanai Stadium.
Hold on.
Oh, the chaos.
Hold on.
Tafa, the captain, is incredulous. Nelson Maker gave the penalty. Lukuzo, you argued Magalani got the ball first. And the Caps United players protested and protested. And
He has overturned his
he
decision.
has overturned his decision. Strange times. Webster Tafa there.
Webster
not
Tafa
happy.
is saying no. You can clearly say he's saying no. And he's calling on his players to walk off the pitch.
Like wampowa eplaying lana elalingani lilukile leliya angeke
Asamphangile
uhlutshwe ngumuntu swana unguref elokho ebuya kuwe bamba uref emenzani.
There's an incident, Machens. I think it was CAF Champions League. Uref wathi eqeda urefula in North African teams. Wathi wamesent wakhipha red card. Ama-player abona uref uthwele red card bahle babuyela. To show ipower ka-ref.
Garef
vele umthetho webhora uthi khona urefli is in authority of the game until they leave the match play,
The pitch.
Yes.
Yes.
Not until the final whistle, even after the final whistle.
Uyakwazi
As
ukunike.
long as esese-ground uyakwanisa ukukhipha ikhadi
Ekunikeza, yes, we've seen that several times.
lokhuyana urefri ufuze ube la nxa khona wayefuze ethi nxa sehlebe enza ngani uyakhipha esikhwameni iredi babeyabuyela
Babeyabuyela. Then
sezafesa ama-consequences
after. But very
But labona, that was a
that was a penalty.
It was a penalty.
It was a penalty. So overturn and you want to suphambanisana ibhora.
Wayitshaje kuhle ekuqaliseni.
You understand?
I was thinking ukuthi sesephendukile egame elifana but manje inkinga yokuthi yabesebesithi khona likhuluma kubi kuphaseni move sikhulumeni
iqiniso
liqiniso bro wami ibhaja lihlohlo ungaphambanisa ephambanisile lathi siyaphambanisa la uphambanisile qondisa khona pha ungaqondisa become a better referee. That's what we want.
Ukuze aqondiswe kuhle kumele suspend i6 months
kumele simkhulume futhi la yazwe sikhulume ukuthi alabathe uphambanisile
awuphambanisile
mawuphambanisile
ngoba sifuna correct
into ebomvu baba ngeke ibe maroon
Hayi,
ebomvu
akuvumi.
azuzama uklay maroon ibomvu hayi
akuvumi. I was happy. I was happy to see uyabona lokho zeni anti yakhumbula sikhuluma ngama overaged players. I was happy this week there was a trending
So kuyajabulisa
Kuyajabulisa because abantu balekali. Mdala, I've said this and I will continue saying I'm fully satisfied into it, but abantu bazazenzela judgment. People were saying it was all social media, Facebook, what abantu bebekhala ngayo. Ugore we-Angola.
AI liyani.
Akuna AI njalo. Uzakujikela umenze laba bayikhuthayo bayibone. E-Africa asifundeni ini madude. That's a under 17 thola. Utopile wana nxa umbona la nxa umkhangele nje. Uyabona ukuthi
under 17
uyabona ukuthi utopile lo umdala. Thonga udala la isibongo sakhe. Thonga Gelson dala. Under 17 man of the match.
should have been 2005
usumdala vele.
2005 21.
Usemdala. Ngiyawusibo 2000.
About 2009. Ngoka 2009 2010 because you have to be under. Because ngoka 2010 abule 16. So ngoka 2010 utopilo. So mfuna sidlule nje fast kona wena ngamkhaya lo chobla is under 17.
Madoda angisebenza esithupheni.
But by just looking phela enye boys yakwazi ukuyibona uyabona
Lona phela shomlana singamiswa lapha naselingana.
umdala kulawo
Umdala kula.
umdala vele kulawo so ike kutsho ukuthi kuba juniors times okunye siyenza kube obvious abazami
Nansi face esikhangele lapha yaluthi le 17 years. Nanka ama-face okhali bantwana ama-face lemfana omncane ethi ngani ngathi 19 ngavuma but uyayala wena.
umfana omncane
Usithi khona 17 years akwenzi.
ndabona vela okunye majenzi abakhalile abantu ngodala abathi umuntu
Awundala umdala nje.
hayi awumdala lo muntu
Anyway, abafazi badlalile nge-weekend eZimbabwe Women Premier Soccer League. I was happy ngama-results. Ngangikhuluma sithi kulama team athiwa achaya a-serious ku-ladies football lapha. I-Platinum, i-Black Rhinos, le-Renters Queens. Lana ama-team abhaqabula mdala.
Ananata.
Achaya.
You have vandalized.
Azweli. I-Rentals imposa ithwele nzima bafethu. The years representayo khona abangegazi impopo manje bayichayi 5 ye-Rental Queens.
Kuhom.
5-0. Ibikuhom. 5 nya. Then ingezi Platinum bayichayi 4 i-Platinum Royals. 4 nya ama-team nalo momu ichapungu elokhu phezulu ilo momu la.
Yabona kuba umlomo mpitshana khona kumphosa. Sometimes it's all about investment or how much you invest ku squad yakho. I-Renters is invested much. Even if lanxa bese representing the continent, you'll be confident ukuthi they can produce a result.
Yeah,
they're doing extremely well.
It's a good side.
So you don't have ukuthi khona lizidle elokuze nini izibindi mamaphaphu licabanga ukuthi khona we are failing when you are lost against a team like i-Rentals. So they just have to soldier up and continue doing whatever they're doing because they're trying under a low budget which they have. And I believe ukuthi khona getting enough sponsors. Inkinga ukuthi abantu bakobulawa sixhasana sisupportana. Abantu bakobulawa ama-companies, ma-business people asisupporteni imposa. They are doing so good. Just be ama-sponsors bencedise abantu amantombazana ethu. Even wonke ama-teams akobulawayo lamankazana, support them, sponsor them, be there for them. So let's support the girl child. A girl child is equally important like a boy child. Let's just stand behind them and rally behind them and support them. We'll get something.
Ngiyede ku point yakho into engichaze ngoNqobile Magwizi. Lokho bethe iNqobile Magwizi led executive. Sebezamile ungani baphakamisa bebalance labo cherry because we've spoken about this a lot. Ngiyede ku point yakho nale uthi so anyala nxa uNqobile Magwizi bemrecognize because khathesi ibhora labo mama uyalibona lalo is on the rise. It's on the rise. Khathesi sikhuluma ama results ama ladies. So the time uthola ukuthi ama ladies abengadlali. You understand? But it's now a different story, a different ball altogether. I'm happy about that. We've mentioned it, but kumele siliphakamise siliqhakatheze lathi ibhora labo mama. Even though that is khala ukuthi ku administration level yabo aba make sure ukuthi it's in the faces of abantu. You understand ukuthi kunzima kwesikhathi ukudinga ukuthi omama badlale njani, badlalela information lana
isaseculating indlela efanele.
Yes. Manje ukhuluma imposa so ngathi kubulawayo abantu abalandela ibhora uthi ngoba nake bebone imposa yathola ukuthi only 2%
balutshwana.
Yabo like ube uthiwa imposa iyadlala i-curtain raise kukaza so
yes represent kumanda semanda bani 14
imposa
manda bani
ehamba yasrepresent ngomanda 17 yadlala ku Sundowns kuze kunizulu eHarare.
Khona kanti asithi imposa idlale eRenters nje ibidlalela khona like kube yiyo e-curtain raise le kumbe ngeSaradina leyana imatch between iYard Rock and then ilokozeni kwaqala yona kuyenza abantu khona kana behambe even eground ngesikhathi ngabo 1 uthola ukuthi ngo12 so ama activity
badlala ngo11
manje badlalisa ezigwagweni
bona badlalisa ezigwagweni
bebe main curtain raise bedlala maybe 11 ngo1 sebeqedini ipitch silungiselela
and kokuza improve loba besuka lawo eselect umntwana esiyadlala kubo
lapho siyakhona kuma Olympics ema-ground azwayo.
Look at it khona umakhelwane awanepi South Africa mabedlala stadium kwebe ngalo kudlala abafana kwesikhathi
proper
kwebe ku proper so ukholo khala ajwayela ama fans engajwayela ukuthi ibhola lingaphuma hambe ezidobhela.
Then there was ilokhuzeni iMunu Mutapa tournament division 1 adlaliweyo over the weekend where we saw Central Region iKwanda Pirates sidla iGrain Tigers 1-0. Mbone ucoach weMSU angikwazi umbe like lambona
China
awumbala logcwalisele la yabona ibhora ngendlela elikhula ngayo uyabona abantu abaningi sebele interest ungabona ama foreign nationals ese kwanza ukuthi ebele team ayicoacha and by draw le Kwanda Pirates but team kaMchina la draw le Kwanda Pirates ku next round eLokhuzeni iMunu Mtapa is still ongoing ama-team la amancane sekuseduze befike kulevel ukuthi bedlale lama Premier Soccer League team basanokhana phansi la so yeah ama so this weekend ngibona awe Central Region idlalile la ama-game la teams that went through iKwanda Pirates iMSU engikhuluma ngayo idla iShabhani iKhwekhwe idla iShurukwi my team Good Morning iwinile ngama penalty it went through then iTongo Garage Super Strikers la ngama penalty so these are the teams that are going through to the next round lokho be eliminatana Central Region, Eastern Region, Northern Region, the Southern Region. Look at be continue nge Tapa, which is a good tournament. It's a good tournament, it's a good initiative. Like we've spoke about it, like FA Cup in England, like in Nedbank Cup in South Africa, where you see lower ranked teams playing against the powerhouses of that particular country. It's a good initiative.
Even English,
yeah, because ababe bezinikele vele besithi bafuna ukudlala la Giants. So Italiana to me I'm very much happy nge tournament and it is progressing very very well across the country. Also with the ama midweek fixtures, gents. Feeling lucky with lucky bets. A lot happened during the course of the week. Kuma midweek games. Lali khulumile adlale nge-Wednesday yan Wednesday kudlala I think most matches vele they played adlale nge-Wednesday. So let's look at those results that came through on that particular day because there's a lot to look at going forward. So it was match day 12 part Viki where we saw Scotland registering their first win after some time. Yeah, after some time. But the Agama 2-1. Ngabona ama-Giants City
laba sasiprotect him
lalithe draw. Abaningi babesithi ungabayi-draw.
Mina ngihambe vele nge-Agama wawa.
And yabo, this one I remember. What was it draw?
Umuntu wama eScotland unokuzeni.
Then Cape United faced Imoz. It was 2-2 at Rufaro Stadium. Ngezi Platinum Stars played against Tel1, 1-1 draw. ZPC Kariba faced FC Platinum. Joel Lupasha seems is getting saying ibamba I Platinum. Ngani say ama wins they are slowly trickling in lapana ku FC Platinum badle ZPC Kariba 1-0. Imanika Diamonds played against FC Hunters. They drew 1-1. Chicken Inn beat Simba Bora 1-0 at Babafile Stadium. Let's look at this fixture. But when I or say Kemile, yadlala njani Chicken Inn. I mean, he play itself both teams
against Simba Bora.
Yeah,
I think that play yadlalwa Chicken Inn that day. For me as a fan, we only failed to score more goals, but they played good football. They created chances, they defended as a team and attacked as a team. With the communication from the defense to the mid and to the strike force. And some brilliant saves as well. As our team, it was on form. So now prepare for a team which is in form. Preparation becomes a little bit higher as well. So I think they were well prepared for that game. And 1-0, it wasn't enough for me. I thought we could get more goals, but Simba Bora, they managed.
But 3 points at the end of the day,
they're very important. Yeah, everything is 3 points.
Yeah.
But the team as fans, we need goals.
Yeah, true.
We enjoy seeing goals because we can be like. And solely Lutogangago, but I was happy as a fan to at least to register a victory. And Simba Bora, they play good football. They've got good midfielders. Our sponsor, bayadlala ibhola labo right obutho they are so ubutho akafuni umuntu ongela grit umuntu
ufuna grit
too aggressive player against to engakuthanda ukwenza lokho kana eZimbabwe uyahlala siba namayelo cards amaningi kuya cost team yakhe.
So ngikobuza because I competition lana Lucky Bets anto ikhumbule raise the red box. It happens, it's supposed to happen games at chicken. Did you see anything or anyone raising the red box?
Actually, I didn't see anyone carrying a red box, even as Lela and Janso Pagamis.
I'm worried.
And it's a worrying trend.
I'm worried.
Why abantu bengawenza that initiative. Kumbe ukuthi lathi thina sithembakale kakhulu ukuthi why singazenzeli sodwa nje sesiphakamisele sizidlela ama prize khona bezabona kuyawina. But people should do that. You don't be afraid to do that. Just raise a box and win something.
Or is it games at chicken there are very few people that attend?
It's not about how many people attend. It's about somebody else doing it.
Yeah, no.
There are few people attending, of course, because the games are too. Games are too expensive. I support PSA Zimbabwe is very low for other teams. But nonetheless, unqawukwanisile a ground senza umkhuluma ishi.
Awuzoziyekile.
Nqawukwanisile ukubuya ground ufuze ulokuze ukwenza. Phakamise ibox lakho then you just take.
So asikhankaseli ukuthi abantu behambe emagemini lokhuze because there's more to win than the $5 ongena ngayo.
Look at it. Lucky Bets, it's walking the talk. They are not just saying things. They say I'm a player. They are going to give man of the match $200, and they are giving them cash.
Vela kula suit. With Lucky Bets everything is
phela vele imali yabisi delivered yabisikhona isikhona sifuza ukuthi iqhutshele nje umuzi ozaqhubela umuntu
umnikazi.
Mepokunye kudala ukuthi like abantu if they are coming to APF besiyabukela ichicken against maybe opponent yane they are coming straight from their homes straight to lokho. So uyacabanga umuntu ukuthi ucabanga ngene town bese city in terms of kube kuthiwa kumbe kuba lokunye kuyinto ukuthi
baruntshetha kulabo tsotso uthi edophi even ibhokisi ulidophe ngemandi ulibeke even ungagapanga
even thing Saturday and Friday
njamba otho abantu kanti why abantu bengela
asiku awuvuliswa phakathi vele
awuvuliswa phakathi
even ulithenge ngeSaturday ngeFriday and uhambe
uligcine
ufika udla ugcine sentambo susifakele
uhamba lalo ngesande
ufika susima just uflathele ground uphakamise chayisa
ya khonokade phela likusho sometimes enye into nje kumele kungaba le 3 or 2 abantu abawinayo kumbe 4 uqalisa ngabantu abalutshwana asili kule 5 emuva kumbe chicken ibukelwa ngabantu abayi30 yasithisho njalo lo oyedwa a start na abonisa athi so bembone after the match ewina hani i30 lana layo phakathi kwe30
kaloqalisayo
i15 la izabuya
kusela kaloqalisayo
so kusakala the
Lucky Bets ilindele ukunika abantu ama prize but akulo seqalisa
Lucky Bets ama prizes ayakubulala bra athi wabonela abantu abawina lapha
mina ngizazibuyela labantu abami nje bayizenzele mbafake
it's okay. So
just to start the thing
the last match that was played on Wednesday it's so a triangle le Bulawayo Chiefs they drew 2-2 usavereza kako but iBulawayo Chiefs si adopte umkhuhlane wama draws lamalo they are dropping points esikhathini esinzima kakhulu yiteam ebengikhangela ukuthi izaqalisa ukuphika ama point endlela ode bedlala but to my surprise it draws and losses the previous games
and the amatros are poor ngokuthi chicken iBulawayo Chiefs iyabe winner
iyalida
ithi ngabo 90 minutes angazi ukuthi kumbe lapha ngoba sokudla ucoach yini singazi ukuthi usavereza kakho la ukuthi athi why kwamele li drawiswe sokusele nge-injury time every time nge-injury time beqeda ukukora abantu ibhola liyaphela
and igame le imagine a triangle play is not easy going that side and lead.
Yeah, I think into ebulala iBulawayo Chiefs whereby the coaches and the technical team has to address umkhuhlane complacence. When they lead, they think that they've won.
Kadi pora lipela.
Pora fita lipela. Hlazute pora ngempela 90 minutes. Ipora lipela 90 minutes.
Lipela
So sabonela ibhola leka laphela nge-87 minutes. Silibukela ku-TV. So ibhola liphela nge-90
Elikachobula neZambia.
ibhola liphela ngo-pre. Khuthazini nabafana bethu ukuthi khona they should not lose guard. They should not think that they've won. They should evade the issue yokuthi khona nxa seliwinile begin to waste time. Try ukuthi ungalida, find more to ukuthi udinge more goals. If you are not looking for more goals, keep the possession. That's the best way to defend. Ngoba le bora. Nxa ule bora, you know that you are safe. Than ukuthi udefend ulala uvuka usenza njalo kana. That's old school way of defending. The best way of defending is to keep the ball. Attack. Score more goals. Create more chances. This is so le man of the match. We are going to play trick like nxa ungadlalanga kuhle. Vele umuntu ohlole trick usihlezi phiwe man of the match. Ngaselo munye. Force nama kopore ngene. Singalali.
Then last game Highlanders versus Outlook. This one ngalibona li Travela la Kholiza, la Kholiza. La Kholiza you enjoy.
For this time yazi angazi. Like ikhwekhwe ya kwakuyi green and white green and white ikhwekhwe like atmosphere khona sasifika so sabonti ya lapha kuzafiwa la stadium sabo sihle labo babuya in numbers but the first time iIslanders ekuningi sagcina emanika mdala last season winner away sijabule kakhulu. And then into engichaza ngeIslander kwakusibambile lokana kuyiteam kwakudlala kuyigofuna amakhosi iIslanders I like as ama players wonke kuba afana lo reason sometimes o reason lapha wacabanga ukuyenza into la uyibona ukuthi but this is impossible, let me try it. Like Haaland mntana Haaland labo into abayenzayo la ukuthi I'm a striker but let me try this. Ngwanazana upora ka Ronaldo amaningi why try into ingeni ureason lapha la ngekho show mntu into la
ukhuluma le icontent be goal of the season so far
kulenye echawe izolo ngunawa
no ama-contest emane even but manje singamthatheli shine ureason because uzayifaka umenze
inhle kakhulu. I think Scotland, those in sense to Scotland, go at rock and Iposo. Like I said, to go to Islanders winning is a draw because the momentum at rock was at the verge of being stopped by the former masters kind. With Bahamas is just a and kind like when a selected team a big team we affected because upiga esazi ukuthi iposi idlala njani but engakwazi ukuthi ucoach umplanela njani so usechintsha iformula yakhe lathi vele elayo from the previous games because we prepare for the team that he thinks he knew better. I think ngawahamba uyilanda iposi ngama-formulas athi elayo echabo 305 something iposi bebe vandalize but wayenza mistake na leyo ukuthi kona waseyiplanele iposi because iposi ayazi wasechintsha istrategy sakhe and he got knocked and with a spectacular goal. That was a nice goal. That was a nice goal.
Usakhuluma nje singakuthatheli ishine because ngokukhona live and direct stadium.
Yeah, I'm not going to ngayibonayo baba sasho ukuthi like maybe Islander ukuze uphumele 3 points wana baba stadium. La kunganika King Bait baba njalo kulala mina emkodweni abaza silele ku King Bait lapha la
la yiko la shine
iko sashayina yonke into yabo yabona ngale kumnandi even iplayer like lingaze liwe kulokuza imoto esikubona ku World Cup uhambe kuyemthatha even isikhathi la uyabe usikhangile loba 6 minutes baba wawubona ukuthi yazi kube ethu stadium uhlala kunjani uyabona ukuthi lapha even kuyenzwe into ngendlela
proper
baba yabona baba istadium kube ethu azibanjana hayi iplayer akula kuthiwa liyalala lapha bese imali ilala ubona imoto sithwele phandle player 2 minutes imoto yabe sefika usanda ukugiqiya imoto yabe sefika
phandle player
uyeneswa ngale ubuyele so vele awula sikhathi isikhathi sokudefenda ukuthi no keeper thina sathawa lo value 6 minutes sathi edit lapho ukuthi kunjani ngangcono mororo afaka abantu abanjani abaza no keeper baligcine enyaweni ngoba ungalala indaba zakho
ibambe khona lapho manenge ama game omele sokhaya the last game midweek it was Dynamos Rentals 2-2 on this game into kuphela engichazileyo my coach uGenesis Mangombe nyamncanywa nje nyamncanywa usho umlana is proved to me ukuthi is a good coach but ngithenda leli press statement yakhe bembuza ngegame lana as kulento enjayile uthe uassign iplayer lokuthi lema kubheza
opponent's heads. And if you see when we see playing deep, it was because he was also trying to hold Denza, and in that scenario he had limited space to run, but at the same time giving us that edge in playing, keeping possession, and it materialized. Also Nana, because we want some energy in the midfield, we want his energy. If you see his entries into the box, there were so many, and to me, I like the way he responded on that position. And at the same time, he was also involved in defending, and I like the way he was doing business today.
I did not expect that from Ukenesis.
No, he was just being funny. He was just trying to give respect to Lokuzeni.
Umtala. Because ungakufaka njalo I think ngakulale uthi he was being funny.
He was just trying to give respect because but nje they are scoring more goals Umtala kona this time. Umtala say improve. We say improve because even a corner they score. Ubuthola Genesis that's how defend Genesis Mangombe. Umtala na check ngosikuma umuntu ole 55 years. Ungaze umnyekele lapha ngamaka. But they are scoring goals ekhona engayenzanga lutho njani.
Asikhuma enqiniso una lokho umdala wambonayo wambone makwamba
umdala vele wazumiyekile
wazi bempasa umdala ngangcono umpasa engamakwanga but ungampasa umuntu esecileni kwakhe bamthathele umdala ngcono umpasa engamakwanga
angeke ukuthi asayini play uthi emakumdala angeke ukuthi asayini play uthi emakumdala
yona mina Rentals iyabe sikwazi vele i-first half vele idlala ngabantu abashotile
ngibuya ngapha nje no coach Mabhena coach weLokuzeni assistant coach weSimba Bora besikhuluma ngakho sithi kona i-next game yabale Rentals ngithi hayi Rentals ilula lifuzeli njani lihleli ichaya umdala sesikhona baba ngathi umdala sikade sibahlohla umdala ekhona so which means
lokho akwenzeke
lokho nasithola sikubona they are putting more effort bakwazi badlala besho i-team lana vele that's why utsho umlwana uRalph Kawondere lwa is getting a man of the matches is top goal scorer khona ngale even ngu top goal scorer futhi elizweni bafa i-effort usho mlaba understand so umdala bala pressure la yibona they know ukuthi badlala beshodini understand so ngeke kunjela uthi eze coach uthi ngasayina umuntu uthi hambe makumdala hayi lapha we are being fun anyway we saw ama weekend fixtures it triangle great Dynamos that was last kuleti cause mfika something la ngani uChitembo uhle wajikela i-resignation letter ngemva udlwa iDynamos ukuthi hayi kulo kunyeni okwenzakala ku triangle behind the scenes esingakuboniyo because uChitembo bengani ubuya kuhle unless njengoba ama incidents khona ku 1 or 2 bedliwa yayilinda lapha olala abantu bekhala o time wasting what but it trying it improved under uLochitembo uyabe resignelana.
I think when we say there's something behind the scenes we try maybe singabe sikhuluma into esingayaziyo ngoba when after that resignation lana ngihamba through some information I saw the executive is still wants him, they still have got faith with him but we cannot expect much from him since the team he inherited the team.
Yes.
We are willing to pick him up. We window ngavula sithenge more players. So
ngiyayithanda movie triangle.
So if it's like that, I think maybe kukhona a message he's trying to send.
to the executive.
ukuthi khona nxa sesiyakhuluma labo they understand whatever he wants.
Hayi
Because there's no reason ukuthi maybe udliwa 3-0 waqalisa ukudliwa more than goals like that. And ke sokuyangisa ukuthi khona why ukuthi sedliwe 2-3 games landlana and we went there knowing what we are going there. Just
you're going to get from
exactly team lani vele ingawini. Yaqalisa ukuwina usukhona. So iproblem inga.
You understand? That you let me into ngwarisha ngochitembu kathi uCheran. So lamhlanje ngiyabulala nonetheless awasuthi wambulala wathi happy birthday nonetheless. So just yesterday we saw ama games iAgama got their first win badle iHunters 1-0. It's something that's happening ngona pana ku Agama lokho kungene imali yana AMV. Yabona into esesikhumta imali motivates izinto zingathi nganje yaqala usuba ngani uba ngcono i-team ebona lama results aya improve. Sikhulume ngoJoel Luphahla Butho awuhamba ngani this time Saturday eMandawi. Okay, cause ngiyakufonela usithi uya travel. I thought ukuthi uhambile uyabona i-team, but nonetheless iPlatinum ichicken in 1-0. Isikhulumile ngolupha 6 points in 2 games.
I think ngisizolo ngisebholeni as well assistant coach owechicken in and was saying ukuthi kona we played everything, we did everything well. We dominated the play. We had so many chances, but luck was not on our side, and we lost. So sometimes the game of football is all about luck. If you don't have lucky and you are not, and you waste your chances as well, you lose the game.
Ngizakuvumela ngoba ichicken in and uthi singathatha isikhathi. Itel one lost to.
So chicken angivumeli. Iqiniso
Itel one lost to Imanika Diamonds. Imanika Diamonds layo is improving.
It's improving, yeah.
After take over.
Yeah, the results were bound to be coming for Imanika Diamonds. But however, asafa nonetheless. However, after the incident lani yenzakeleyo emali, asakwazi ukuthi osokuba ngento ama results abuye kuyini.
Imali.
Yikho imali lani uthi sebethenga kwama ema teams yini bohamba njani. Yinkinga sasisho ukuthi kona ukwenza isponsorship esinje it affects even progress or to get credit which is due to you because of such things like these ones.
But I'm happy.
I'm happy they are winning.
Yeah,
but credit yakona ukuthi sise kubani sokunzima.
Obvious coach ama politics ngena mbamba but i-team ingaqalisa uku-improve iwine away to iTel one ngoba iTel one la yelo coach omusha
ngaphathi
yayibifuni
ngana kuTel one
kunzima
ngiloba kulo coach omusha iTel one nganayo.
Then also Saturday Simba Bora played to 1-1 draw the Cape United. I think the game we touched on the incident lana eka Nelson or ref a penalty, but I was happy for the young man uChocho. Thongba umfana lana ibizo lakhe nickname yakhe, I think nickname uChocho, and I think I always think it's called Tamba. Sayisakhuluma ngayo umfana I think uqasa udlala le 16 ku Simba Bora. I think bamthemba development yakhe is showing. He was the lucky best man of the match umfana lana uChocho at 17. Yeah, he came in from the bench and scored a beautiful goal.
Igame ayisiphanjaniswe ngumqeqeshi
referee. It was beautiful to see uchensela ama team lo coach Mabheno ohlangane la. They're doing something there which is wonderful to see. Then we covered the game ye Bulawayo Chiefs le Adroka. I was so much disappointed ngabafana be Bulawayo Chiefs. Qedwe kubatshela ukuthi majensi kule 200 phandle raisana ama socks imali isale ekhaya kade ababuzanga elangeni emdala kulomfana weSwaziland. Umfana weSwaziland we Adroka. Hayi kulama player sengwabonile ama player
Lolo Chinja
wethinti
lwana vele ayivele ehluphe yayilende ngabulala lo Chinja odlala emidi ngiyabulala lwana
so Nelson thongu Nelisizwa Dlamini hayi
yabona into ikhuluma le yandi yiko kufunakala for foreign based players kufuze ukucaca ukuthi umuntu uvela phandle ayikho into eyenzela ukuthi sikubona izolo ukuthi khona i-foreign based yakho nebengakhanti i-foreign based yanganto khona
sizayithinta le but iAdroka kind one they're doing something right.
He's a good coach that way.
Yeah, they're doing something right. But at the same time I was disappointed. Ngibulawa Chiefs. Angikwazi kumbe traveling because until they travel to i-triangle midweek and coming back because isikhathi uyabona uwadrow kujeki bahamba amabhasi lawa ibulawa Chiefs bahamba nge-sprinter. Ungakwazi ukuthi from distance bekhathana i-comfortability ama-players because it takes a toll to the team okuyizinto okunjalo those little things.
ukuthi lapha singathi you traveling.
No, I'm just saying I'm raising a point there.
Yeah, say lokho but iqinisweni ukuthi i-Rock it's a better team.
Angiyali ngizwe sharp.
No, regardless of that, Bulawayo Chiefs being Bulawayo Chiefs, they never lose like that. Just as
exactly yes, this is what I'm saying.
Because Bulawayo Chiefs gives a fight.
Yeah.
And in everything, that is why you wanna ezweni. Ama players most of the times when we have ama short distances, they fly.
Yes.
Babalekile fatigue.
Thank you.
For
bemfuna ubuya khona apho Masudi.
blood circulation iqhakathekile.
Bemfuna ubuya khona apho bro.
Just wesi iku-sprint and kuchiyene nasebhasini.
Kuchiyene.
Lana ebhosona lana eyoqala lana lesithi khona yenza kuhle lana. Wayesinqa umuntu engadinwa kwanisa usuku embi igazi ligijima kanti afuruka. But manje yabuhlezi unyonyo bena nto umuntu osenginkomo esitulweni sokusprint.
Because badlale Wednesday away trying. They to travel back is Thursday, Friday, badlala Saturday. Uyabonga ka rest enough.
As much as Bulawayo Chiefs is ngobuhle beBulawayo Chiefs ngendlela ekhuluma ngayo. Ayizame something ebhasini.
You understand?
Ayizame something ebhasini. Esozedlula
abantu
besikole abathenga amabhasi emjokojo.
This is my point.
Chiefs ayithenga ibhasi.
This is my point.
Ayithenga ibhasi
because we saw iYadrock itayibuya abantu they were marveling ibhasi iYadrock ngathi abona indege yapasi amashona atsho njalo indege iYadrock indege yapasi if bedlala midweek ncabe travela bebuya this side. I know distance incane from Kwekwe to Bulawayo but the way they are traveling ama players are safe are comfortable. iYadrock looked fresher than Bulawayo Chiefs. Ama players they looked lethargic
because until lizabuya lidiniwe nti lizafuna ukuthi lani lichaye 1 or 2 ma sessions khona kana it's eating up to you. It's wearing you out.
But I very like what you are saying. Bulawayo Chiefs la azama ukukhuphula amasocks ethenge ibhasi la enganiwa
ngoba
because kuyavuma look at it Bulawayo Chiefs ngento ezenza
ngeorder
yenza there is no way because mawuyehla uBulawayo uyehle esprinteni kuyangani kumbe i-T2 manje i-social yabo like uyahamba uye Harare ku-sprinter thina kunje so ungabuya le moto encane asikade kusikade masikwazi C3 sifuna maybe quantum sikwazi ukuthi hayi sesingamaphakathi and the quantum later
but when we support we travel uyakuza udinwa kwakhona
uyabuza udiniwe sikwazi ukuthi
that's my point that's exactly my point
ku-sprinter akula city eyodwa elalayo okuthiwa kumbe yayithi
that's exactly my point
so mawunje so which means uzaba 560 kilometers lokhu nje
ukhatshana mdala ukhatshana so iBulawayo Chiefs ngendlela abaphefuma
ithina nje nxa usiyathi yonke into yabibrandiwe nje Bulawayo Chiefs amakhosi amahle yonke into everything nje yonke into
hayi Bulawayo
Chiefs
bona ukwazi ukuthi ngithi stadium lesena
Bulawayo Chiefs nanku umlando usufakiwe kwesisikhathi siyakwazi kunzima but try to get maybe ibhasi for ama gents kuyabulala i-performance ye team. The last game that was played on Saturday gents we saw Scotland going back to factory settings ngoba ngani ngenye team ebulala ngama draw abantu bengayiboni 0-0 le ZPC Kariba
yayikuwo Scotland
yayikuwo Rufaro
iko wona ukeeper honest man of the match. We are safe umfana Kariba no. We are safe.
It's a good goal.
It's a good goalkeeper though.
Then on yesterday on Sunday ama games that we played yesterday on Sunday sonke be say a PF matches Islanders versus iLokhuzeni. We saw what happened. Lengezi 0 Ingezi the reason ingakadliwa I think isibonisile why I think Ingezi according to me, Ngezi is a good side, gents.
Yeah, I think Ngezi, I spoke to Coach Fatso, who assistant coach Ngezi after the game, and said, wow, you are doing good, considering what you are not even allowed to enter into the shops and the shop.
Exactly.
Because now is lima very fuzube na macebo. So they are working very, and they defend, they are very composed, they are very calm, even under pressure. Like now kunjani. And when even a chance lana egamongi lana after even enzeni abazanga betetaza lembe bethuke. Bale babuyela ku factory setting yabo. They played their game. Yabuya futhi another chance. Ama chance zonke amaningi ade buya onalana. Badlala ezingezi platinum into abayihlekile kuphela ukuthi be threaten egate la le Islanders. But as an away team, they played good football.
Because a point away from home
is point away is okay. But abazange be waste isikhathi. Abazange be lala.
Your overall assessment,
yeah, Ngezi insurance institution city their team is a mina game to me I team otwa is a unit team. Unite kakhulu to yabona ispirit sabo mabengena yabona. Look at into ikhulumayo izolo awuzange bedile ukuthi abalala kanjani bazidlalele igame yawo iyayilinda ehluleka lapha ehluleke khona thina sehlulekile ukuthi uma uthi wakuyenza kuba assistant coach omkhokhelo bezama ukutshela abafana labanomongo ukuthi hey ake ndihlonipha ama supporters lingadlali ibhola.
On that note, asike sibambe indaba le 2 minutes yes,
lingadlali ngani slack.
Indaba le is trending everywhere. Usehle wayithi ekamongameli. I think umfana he proved ukuthi Borealas. I think he needs protection. Monga angazi because asiko uma dressing room. Asiko ama fans they are seeing this. Abanye bathi sekhulikhanda abanye there are a lot of things that are being said ngomfana.
Uyakwazi uthini ifame ibulala abantu abanengi kakhulu.
Yeah, is a drug.
Ifame it's a biggest drug. So iya ngawe wena ngokwakho kumbe mawungena manager umfalo omncane usungafa ngefame. Bakhona abantu abakwazi uku maintain ukuyihengla kahle ifame yabona. Lwana umfana look at edlala 2 games obizwa ku national team uhamba ku national team ukuthi ufika kwakora kwasoba ifame kwasoba khona phana kwasokumele umfana kube lo muntu omthethe ihengla kuhle into so because what he did isolo it's like he was trying to raise futhi fame on top of that ayisekuthi ukhuthile lapha the kind it's unnecessary thing yikubona abantu bemthuka.
Yeah, I think Mina personally, like what you say, that there's a need for him to be protected.
Because the talent
in football, there are so many things and emotions that happens, and when you at his age, utole that opportunity. Of course, Lamizolo, I was disappointed by their first miss yet. Utole ituba elinjana usureche ukip. Very in the first place, even Nanglating keep and that first opportunity to Lipora, he was able to shoot a score and score. But into Ezinjiana zifuna a proper manager. Oza fundi sumfana ukuthi kona isikhathi sokuyenza decorating decorate ungakayakhe decorate ungaqedi uqala build then you decorate. Umfana decorate i-team ku 0-0. Umfana ubefuze decorate i-team leader. La nxa ungayihleka ukuhlohla the effect won't be that negative or that much. I believe impact enkulu. So konke konkana it needs a proper training. The same thing it did against the chicken in sekita phezu kwebhora. Those are the mistakes ama signs ukuthi kona umfana uselahleka. But however umfana has got the talent and that talent we as Zimbabweans regardless of the team that we support we need that talent.
Yes.
So in order for that talent not ukuze life umfana akafundiswe ukuthi engaphenduli ku social media. Ama players today base side yakho. Ama supporters today base side yakho. Tomorrow they are not. The next minute they are not there. You do good. The next matches engadlala ukuthi the next matches awumongi ephambanise they are not there. So those people ama supporters bafana nonwabo luchincha according to the environment. Never ever uzingene ground uzitshela ukuthi khona I've got the backing of the fence. Never ever uphume ground uzitshela ukuthi khona angila backing of the fence. You always have them, you always don't have them, but what you have is the talent that you have and the teammates that they are there with you. So umfana ongabakwazi khona uzadlala ibhola kuhle, but engadlala ezitshela ukuthi khona ama supporters asedinami lamanga. Islanders, any other team, silakwenza even kuBomeni Ronaldo sabathethisa sibashout, but the following day sebesabathanda. That's football. So yena imistake ayenzileyo ungangeni mfana ungangeni ku social media ungaphinduli ama players. Ungakhulumi no matter what you right or wrong. Yekela bekhuluma ukufuna ama supporters ukusasa babe ukuthanda futhi.
I think imessage engithola lapha ukuthi umfana ufuna guidance.
Guidance.
A proper
manager.
Yeah.
Who's going to sit down with him?
In everything. But is amongst the professionals, ex-professionals, and there's still professionals kuma departments asebekuwo khathesi. Mina bengicabanga ukuthi ngumfana uzathola i-proper guidance, i-proper protection from Benjamin Maroa, played at the highest level, Man City. Uzenzo Moyo went as far as Cyprus, was the manager of the team. Kokeli went overseas.
Sometimes
Cyprus Ubeke played
exactly.
South Africa.
That's
You understand
true.
that? That's the technical team. I was under the influence of ukuthi ngumfana ama players Islanders, ama players azathola proper
liqiniso leli likhulumayo. But into eyi-one enifuze understand ukuthi khona wena ngawutshetela faka ifoni le phansi. The choice is utterly up to you ukuthi ufake phansi ifoni le.
Yeah, so in wrapping up,
so it akutsho ukuthi khona akakhuzwanga umfana.
So in wrapping up, I think it's all up to him.
It's all up to him. It's not up to anyone else.
Yeah.
It's all up to him. And the mistake aseyenzile esizambulalela i-career yakhe yikuphendula ama supporters. Bazakhuluma amazwi ngikutshela into ewani umuntu ngakuchaka dethi ngempama ashela. After 10 minutes the pain yabe sisiphelile. But kuyasosethe ukuthi ubuthu kwanjani ngempama. But ngakuthethisa ngithi hawe nje.
Kuyahlala.
Ngaze after 10 years that weight is still there. So ngangaphenduli because uyaphendula abantu abangacabangiyo abangadla.
So asigoqenini, I hope umfana lwana uza banjwa kuhle akhayile ukuthi kulama game ayi2 then isikhayela ama fixtures. Dynamo beat Triangle 3-0, then also Renters beat Emos 1-0. So the look is as it stands manje. Hard Rock and Cape United
27.
Hard Rock and Cape United baphezulu on 27 points, followed by Ingezi is on third position, 23 points. We've spoken about Ingezi indlela abadlala ngabo. Scotland even ama draws is on number 4 on 22 points. Then the bottom 4 is Manica Diamonds 9 points, Triangle is on 8 points, followed by Telwan le Agama both on 7 points. That's the log table. Let's look at the fixtures. This weekend fixtures it's match day 14, feeling lucky with Lucky Bets. That's the segment esesidonseki isikhathi sekiyo. Lucky Bets is doing well. Mele very siphakamise ngabantu bayenza into ezinhle kakhulu eBoreni lakithi. Saturday 23rd May 2026 we've got Renters taking on Simba Bora at Rufaro Stadium. What's your take?
Simba Bora is going to win against the Renters. Maybe 2-1. Simba
Bora away.
Simba win draw.
Agama takes on ZPC Karipe watsanai
0-0.
Abantu bachala baskola. Lifake phela imali ku Lucky Bets bathi nanka ama tips balinika abantu lifake imali lizibhejele bathi
Agama 1-0.
Ungadliwa umtshela ukuthi butho ngondlisa.
Agama 1-0.
Ngezi Platinum Stars versus Bulawayo Chiefs eBaobab.
Ngezi win 1-0.
Ngezi 2-0.
Chicken Inn takes on this one is going to be one hell of a game. Chicken Inn is taking on Scotland at Barberfield Stadium. Hey.
Chicken Inn baba 2-1.
Ntondela Ndira facing his former Paymasters.
Utonde kadliwa ama Paymasters akuchayela iSimba midweek uyachaya futhi Scotland. 4-0.
Vandalizing.
Then on Sunday, Hunters takes on Telwan at Stadium.
Hunters 1-0.
Telwan wins.
Hard Rock takes on Dynamos Chawanda.
Draw 2-2.
Hard Rock 2-0.
triangle takes on Moz eKipo.
Ngisquab ngokwenza uchaye ulokuze yini uChitembwe. Ama-teams azahambe siyamdelela ngale bayafika bewina. It-deals in triangle.
But Moz is also struggling.
1-1.
The triangle is a win.
Then Monday, it's Monday 25th of May. It's Cape United's last game. Cape United takes on FC Platinum Racho Rufaro. It's a big one, this one.
Long weekend. I think Platinum iyaqhubeka phambili.
Kathi yalenda kanjani?
Uthini?
Anti Platinum the Caps.
Yeah, Platinum the Caps Monday.
Yiko lutheni. Che uthi kwidza BP mani. Mina liyazikolodzana then. Wona chitiyo panze. Bayabisirwa phansi futhi mama.
Match day 14. Yeah, then there's ayikho ma fixtures there. What's happening?
But mbona khona idlala Manika.
Yeah, then dlala Manika khona
away.
Away.
Good fixture beyabona maybe nce. Ba fixing la.
Away yalenda zukumanika.
Iskipele so.
Yalenda ngihambe echayise.
In Saturday Sunday.
Manika Sunday.
Sunday away. So you are giving Manika.
Mina I give Highlanders.
I'm giving Highlanders as well. Kathi Manika yani ngathi.
Yamazo ata one vala manzi.
Kola.
Vala ata. So yes, those are the fixtures for Lokuzen. Match day 14. I think we've done justice to show the merchants. Big up to Lucky Bets. Please, abantu ngazi ukuthi abantu ngendlela enjabule ngayo abantu abasupport register with Lucky Bets, luckybets.co.zw and become a panda khona. Please bet a responsible. This I want to encourage abantu bebe. You have to be over 18 years old and please remember to bet a responsible. Ungabheji ngemali efuna ukuyisebenzisa. Ngcono ungabheji.
Ungabheji ngemali esithebe, ungabheji imali esinkwa, ungabheji imali abadala ngemali yabamnikazi.
Ungaqali.
Le mali zamaburial, njengenze burial ungaqali.
Ungasoma suthi ungasebenzisi esithebe.
Ukhona obuye owatrader. Kayi wandini imali emsebenzini 3000. Ngathi nimbali into lena wadliwa i3000 emsebenzini yindeke. But like Bets uyamkhumbula wadli 3000 ispan salisa home ngendeki. That's not being responsible. You understand? Asikufuni lokho. But with Lucky Bets ungaregister uyahluthole bayakunika 80 free spins uzama. Nxa uthanda indeki. Yeah, nxa uthanda indeki bakunika 80 free spins.
Ukugadela indeki yafunga gadanga indeki.
Singakakhathi. There's something that I saw ku comment section bensithi nza engage ngayo. It's between menzi ngicela 2 minutes zakho bro. 2 minutes, just 2 minutes unganchayi. Ngiyawazi sesivalini. Ngifuna encourage ama-agency la for healthy conversation. Asithanda abantu becine songane abazwana. We know ibhora ngelama emotions. Just 2 minutes. Ngoba lama back and forth ku comment section lapana between uJunior the editor a guy called Mugata last. It's good for us to have a conversation ku comment section. It was the issue of national anthem being played
all off.
Go emagameni ePSL engani sesi abuse. So the guys they back and forth but bagcina bengasakhuluma sithi gents, let's engage respectfully, singathethisani. It's good ukuthi siconversate, sikhulume kube lama argument but singathethisani ku comment section.
Yeah.
Or anywhere else because nxa sise ground or nxa sithu ucina ku lead up to physical asekufuni khona but ngacina what I liked ngacina owayekhulume kube ethethisile exolisile kwangana amajita sezwanana. It shows maturity. Siyabonga kakhulu. Let's keep the healthy conversation going khona bana ku comment section. On those last words, let's see each other next week. Siyabonga kakhulu majita.
Thank you so much. Love one another.